Excitedly hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to review Metabolic Nutrition's Protizyme, a protein powder that promises to deliver superior taste and nutrition. Let's dive right in first. Let's talk about what Protizyme is. It's a high-quality protein powder from Metabolic Nutrition, designed for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. It comes in various delicious flavors like chocolate cake, peanut butter cookie, and vanilla creme. Protizyme is packed with 25 grams of protein per serving, sourced from whey protein isolate and concentrate. It also includes digestive enzymes to help with absorption and minimize bloating. This makes it not only great for muscle recovery and growth but also easy on the stomach. Now, let's do a taste test. I'll be trying the chocolate cake flavor today. I'll mix one scoop with water and another with milk to see how it tastes in both. First, with water. Sip. It's smooth and rich, almost like a dessert. Now, with milk. Sip. Wow, even creamier and more decadent. Both are really delicious, but the milk definitely gives it a richer taste. One thing I love about Protizyme is its mixability. As you can see, it blends easily with no clumps, whether you're using water or milk. The texture is smooth and pleasant, making it a joy to drink. Let's talk about price. Protizyme is priced competitively, considering the quality and taste. It's available in different sizes, so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Plus, the added digestive enzymes really add value to this product. Overall, Metabolic Nutrition Protizyme is a fantastic protein powder. It offers great taste, high-quality protein, and excellent mixability. Whether you're using it post-workout or as a meal replacement, it's a solid choice. I highly recommend giving it a try. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Protizyme and what your favorite flavor is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.